Oh crap. I'm back at one of our usual river spots. Gonna be throwing a lot of different lures today, trying out new things. The water is warm, but the air is cold, so we're gonna see if we can get any bites. Follow along and let's see what we can catch. Woohoo! First cast, brought all the way back, little smallie. Oh wait, that's a largemouth. That's a tiny little largemouth. There we go. First cast. Water's a little dingy, a little muddy. Just kind of dragging that little Senko along the bottom. Caught a little 6-inch, 5-inch largemouth. All right, let's try this again. Second cast. Let's see what we get. Kind of throwing it near the pylons over there, near the base of that bridge. I've been seeing a bunch of fish blow up a little bit here and there. The water level's pretty low. A bunch of the weeds that normally are under water are just on the surface over there, so I'm guessing there might be some fish hiding underneath some of those weed beds. I might have a bite. Oh, rocks or fish? It's hard to tell here. Oh, got one. Oh, I had one. All right, switching over to a donkey tail jig, an old go-to. Let's see what we can do. A lot of fish jumping this morning. Just got to get in front of them. Surprised I haven't caught a rock bass yet. Oh crap. That thing just hit at the shore. That's a big largemouth. Holy crap. Oh man. Whoo, baby. That is a big boy. I was throwing a lipless crank. I did about to give up on that thing. Holy cow. Whew. That was a good sized largemouth, dude. His mouth isn't huge, but it's a good sized bass. 2.42 pounds. That guy is about 17 inches long, almost 17 and a half. Let's see if we can get him back in the water. That is a big boy. Whew. Good sized fish. Getting ready to go. There he goes. Whew. I did not expect that. I was kind of throwing that lipless just thinking that there might be something out there because I wasn't having any luck with any of the plastics, but man, that thing put up a good fight too. Whew. Yeah, just that black and silver lipless crank. I was throwing that and that thing hit right near the shore. So I haven't tried a Sakoshi bug before, but this spot has always been good with some craws, so I think we're gonna try to rig this up and see how it does. The buoyancy helps in this area just because of the way in which the current is and the amount of rocks. So I think that we'll end up having a good time. What is going on? Tons. I can see them jumping right in front of me, and I do not get a fish. So we made our way down, probably about almost 100 yards down from where we were. Just trying to get access to a little bit of new, different water. It's more consistent flow, a little bit less, but just a wide stretch of open water. My hope is that with the slower current, it's a little bit deeper here too. Just gives us access to a few new holes of fish, because that bite was drying up over there. And from what I hear, the rock bass party is down here sometimes too. Oh, got one. Let's see what we got. Woo, Rocco. Rock bass party. It's a nice one. Nice little color. Popped it right at the side of the mouth, right near that log. There he goes, right underneath the rock. Right underneath this. Wow. Looks like they're hiding right along this log. He tucked up right underneath. Got another one. What do we got here? Another rock bass. This one's pulling. Ooh, nope, I think that one's a smallmouth. He's got me up on that rocks. Ooh, this is a good size one. I've got to take him light on this ultralight gear. Oh yeah, it's a nice little smallie. Well, not little. It's a good size smallie. Yeah, he gulped. He gulped that. There we go. Not a bad one. I'd say about 12, 13, about 13 inches. Yeah, I hit that donkey tail, just kind of pulling it slow along this tree. There's like a down tree in the water, so we're gonna end up doing pretty good, I think. New spots, 2 fish. That's a rock bass and a smallmouth. Let's see how they do. There he goes. Got another one. Wow, that one was a light bite. Let's see what we got. Another Rocco. No. Yep, another Rocco. Not too bad. I like catching them. The eyes are just beautiful. It's a pretty fish. All right, we're rigging up the old standby again. Green pumpkin Senko. Oh, I think I got one. That was a weird bite. That was a weird bite. Oh, and he spit it. Right at the end. Yeah, I did not set a good hook on him, but you saw him. Oh, there we go. That's a nicer one. Oh, I caught him on I snagged him on the back. Oh man, he hit it and then he went. There you go. Not the way I want to catch him. No, that was a good sized smallmouth. There What is this? That was a little bite. You are stuck through the eye. Oh, that little smallie. I guess that's one way to end up the day with a tiny little smallmouth. It's pretty. There you go. Well, I had a pretty good day. Caught a probably my personal best largemouth for the year, 2.4 pounds, 17 inches. Caught a good amount of other fish. We caught some smallmouth, some rock bass. So, and it's a beautiful day, so you can't really complain. Thanks for watching. Why don't you like the video? Why don't you click that subscribe button? And I hope to see you again soon. Thanks.